Hello, my name is Vijay Kore. I have completed my post graduation in rural agribusiness management. I am interested in dairy sector. I am working in my own farm last 3 years. In my farm, 10 cows and 6 buffalo. I am doing various activities in my farm, such as milk recording, animal handling, fodder mixing. Last 3 years, I have learned different technologies and different method of dairy farm. This is a fodder cutter machine and a fodder mixer. Thank you.